Hi, my name's Tommy. I work at Bluewater Photo, and I'd like to introduce you to the Kraken Universal Smart Housing. This housing is used for essentially any smartphone that can physically fit into the housing. So it can be used with Samsungs, it could be used with the Google Pixel, it could be used with your iPhone. So that's really convenient when using this housing. You can trade it off with friends or family and things like that. Another great feature is the vacuum valve. So when setting up your universal smartphone housing from Kraken, you're going to want to download the Dive Plus app. This is the app right here. Click that, and then voila, you're in the app. Once in the app, you're going to want to create a login and then sign in. And from there, the next step is to connect to the device. You're going to want to sync it with the Bluetooth connection. To do that, you're going to need to scan this QR code here. So after logging into the app and connecting your phone to the smart housing, you're going to want to put the phone into the housing. There's a little lever here. This will allow it to fit any smart housing that can physically fit into the case. So pull this lever back, position your phone, and then let the lever tighten to seat your phone in the housing. From there, you can go ahead and close the housing, and very simple, just lock it tight, and you're ready to go. So after getting the camera into the housing, I'd like to just walk you through the vacuum seal portion. You're going to unscrew the cap on the vacuum valve, attach the other end of the vacuum pump, and then pull the vacuum. So you're going to want to do this a few times until you see the green light, solid green light on the housing. Then remove the seal and put the cap back on. Now you know your housing is sealed and you're ready to dive. After the dive, simply remove the cap and press on this yellow seal to remove the air pressure inside the housing. Now it's a red light and you'll be able to open the housing and take out your phone. If you have any questions, please contact us at Bluewater Photo. Check out our website, bluewaterphotostore.com, and thank you for watching.